Hey Ash.
What?
Do you know what just happened?
No. We sailed halfway around the world?
We just sailed halfway around the world.
Shit. My hair's not even looking good today. I'm a sweaty mess.
Northern Palawan. We're halfway around the world. I'm Ben, that's Ashley. Together, we did the unimaginable. We sold everything and then set off on a mission to sail around the world.
Civilization. See you later.
Oh,
Good morning. Yeah.
28 countries later and over 25,000 nautical miles, we are only halfway around the world.
I have no idea what's gonna happen.
Subscribe to follow the adventure as we finish this lap.
This place is stunning. It's totally stunning. The beach, it goes for miles. We're trying to get a video. Videos are sometimes hard. Sometimes we forget to film and then we have to put snippets of shit together. We're sorry. We hope you enjoy our snippets of our life because sometimes it's painful, right, Ben?
Multiple beer painful.
The beer isn't helping today. He's almost out too, so we might have to redo a beer run. Hopefully it's an easier beer run from here because we're in Kron Town, El Nido. The beer was double the price of everywhere else. So we're thinking that maybe on the other side of the hill, maybe it'll be slightly less expensive. We're off to get my mother. My mom's coming for a visit. Ben's mother-in-law.
My mother-in-law. She's nice.
What do you think, Mom? Oh, only you guys would show up in this. Lucky I had just one. Oh boy, you're a strong guy. It's nice here, isn't it? Have you looked around?
yeah.
It's great.
Flying in.
Yeah.
Woo!
Look at the loot, man.
She brought a few things with her, which is why we have guests. No, we actually have guests because we want to, but guests always bring a lot of stuff. Boat gear, stuff we can't buy out here, boat bits. What did you get, Ash?
I got Annie's. I am so stoked, and a warranty on our bag. And Ben gets plastic scrapers.
For the boat.
Awesome.
Scraping the bottom. Zap straps.
You can buy those out here, I'm sure. But
Locks. TV remote that died, Band-Aids, board shorts, water maker pump, I don't know, all sorts of stuff. Oh, 5-cent Haribo candy. You can't go wrong with these.
Can't find them here either.
No.
This is El Nido.
We came here 7 years ago when we were still working our butts off, and it was like one of those little vacations that we thought would be cheap, and it was relatively cheap, but yeah, we never thought we'd make it back here by sailboat. It's kind of bizarre thinking that we're back here. We watched like the Delos films when they were in the Philippines, and we're like, yeah. But I never believed that we'd be back here. We're back. We're back.
I think we're gonna anchor here tonight. We've been debating whether to anchor here or go around the corner to Kron, but
We don't really have to worry about security. We have the US military here in some fancy low radar boats, and the Philippine Coast Guard is here as well. They got a few boats in the bay. I'm not sure what's going on, but yeah, there's a lot of authority around. Feeling pretty safe. Like, I don't know what the US military is doing here. Maybe it's the Navy, I don't know. They're like gray, fancy little boats with jets on the back, and they look like they have a low radar signature. But the dude was taking a selfie when he pulled in, so I don't think they're on some sort of mission, but I don't know. I don't see the mothership around either, so there must be a mothership.
we haven't been to a grocery store in like 2 weeks, and apparently there's a pretty good market here. I'm hoping they might have some pineapples, some lettuce in about a month. So lettuce. let's get going. We're off to shop, and I wish I'd brought more bags, but I'm really excited now. Okay, I'm gonna get a few. This is heaven on earth. Yes. It's like $7 US for that. It's a lot of money. Okay, so one of the big differences from marketing at home and marketing here in the market is that the food at home is always, like almost always, even when you buy it at a farmer's market, it's washed. And like, when you buy food here, it is not washed. Check out this dirty water. Yeek. So I wash everything and I put a little vinegar in it to try and help kill the bugs, if there's any bugs in it. And it works really good. I kind of went a little overboard on pineapples. I haven't seen a pineapple in a while, and they were inexpensive, like 60 pesos per kilo. So like 3 pineapples was like $6. And they have avocados here. The Philippines is amazing. Actually, it's some of the best fruit and vegetable I have found, although they're not very keen on lettuce, so it's super expensive. And the mangoes are spectacular, and they have them all year round. So like most countries, you only get mangoes for a few months out of the year. So this is like a special thing in the Philippines, and we have been eating a heck of a lot of mangoes. I don't think I bought enough. Not again. What's happening?
Stuck in paradise. We're trying to diagnose our water maker. Basically, our water maker is a high pressure pump that just forces water through a membrane. The high pressure pump, there's like valves, and they have little springs in them, and the springs keep breaking. Can't figure out why.
You want to show them our water maker?
So this is basically just a high pressure pump, and these are the valves on the front, and then there's 3 more valves on the top. So we've replaced all those, and a couple fittings right here, so we'll see how that goes. And I don't know, just keep pouring money at it, man. It seems to not work.
So before we'd replace the springs, that didn't work. Then we changed out some of the valves and the springs again, and that didn't work. And now we're doing a full kit. So everything. And one of the hoses had a bit of rust in it. So we're hoping that all of this combined will work. And there's no air in the system, and that's what they keep saying is like the problem. Air is not the problem?
No.
Check out those mountains. So we are sailing down the coast of Palawan. We're now on the western side of Palawan, and holy smokes, it is gorgeous here. We just left a bay that was like idyllic. It was completely idyllic. Crystal clear, turquoise blue water. It turns out that there's like 500 more bays just like that all the way down here. We've got a beautiful white sand beach after a beautiful white sand beach, gorgeous hills, and little islands. I mean, it's like take your pick of anchorages and they're all gorgeous. It's pretty calm right now, so we could probably anchor just about anywhere. Like the swell isn't really up. No wonder this place is so popular. Sometimes places are like super popular and you know, people are like, oh, it's too overcrowded, it's not good. Okay, there's a few beaches where all the like tourist boats go, but like, there's no one there. That's like, it's empty. I'm so stoked. I'm really stoked to be here. We've got like these gorgeous, empty, beautiful white sand beaches all around us. It's northern Palawan. You are a cruiser's paradise. What you doing, Mom?
Oh, I'm doing the bok choy celery for the stuffing.
We're prepping for Easter. We're making Easter dinner. We're having chicken turkey. And we're in a gorgeous spot here at Nakpan Beach. It's not a bad place to spend Easter, and the Easter Bunny came today and brought us these games. Have you ever heard of this? Spot It Splash. These are fantastic games for the boat. It's like good for all ages, from like 3 to 300. A lot of what we do out here cooking wise is improvised. So we're having chicken turkey, and instead of celery, because I couldn't find that, we're having bok choy. So chicken turkey bok choy stuffed. Can't wait. It's gonna get hot in here though. It's been hot in the Philippines. It's up to like 33 degrees regularly in the daytime, which is pretty warm. So we're gonna probably cook the turkey a bit early so it's not so hot in the evening when we wanna actually chill on the boat. We'll go to the beach, put the chicken turkey in the oven, and get going. Yeah, it's a pretty nice day.
Check out the watercolor.
I know, it's intense, eh?
We're planning to move to right over there, beautiful beach, which is exposed to the wind, and do some kite surfing on Easter. I mean, why not, right? Like, that seems like a perfect Easter day, plus some cold beer, plus chicken turkey, plus some more beers.
Yeah.
I think that sounds good. Can't go wrong with that.
Why does the captain have to clean the stove? This is just humiliating. This is awful. I didn't even do anything wrong. I just couldn't stand how dirty her stove was. It's her stove. We found Q-tips, coffee beans, potatoes,
A banana.
almonds, a zap strap. There's all sorts of stuff that goes behind the stove.
Yeah, and like drink savers. Mom bought me these in Fiji, and they've been down there a year.